Okay, I'm filming this from the inside because I'm talking to the Facebook because it's too strong. Oh yeah, it'll be a long time. So I'm filming this from the inside because it's too strong to go outside anymore. So the speed's like 90 miles an hour right now. We got flooding in the front. I'll film that if I can. So this is 1:30 in the afternoon. We still haven't hit the peak. It's supposed to be between 6 o'clock, around 6. But this is going to be at least the amount of damage that we had at Wilma because we got flooding in the front. I have to go check that out. Here comes a gust. You could hear it. That's why I'm not talking. I'm just letting you listen to it. It's not when it starts sounding like a freight train. You hear like a low whir. That's the hurricane winds. So we're listening to the radio because we don't have the TV on because the power's out and it's going to be out for weeks. And they said we're getting about 100 miles an hour wind right now in Fort Lauderdale. So that's a category 1 speed. So this is what we've been going. This started yesterday. It's not going to end until tomorrow, so Monday. So these trees, you're saying in the local news here, we got trees down everywhere. Christ, Laura. flying around. I'm going to show you we have flooding in the front. All the streets are flooded. I don't know how deep. We've got water. About 15 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, the water was about a foot behind the car. It's moving its way up. There's water all the way up and down the street. It's moving its way up towards the houses. So they usually don't get flooding here, so who knows what's happening in low-lying areas, because we've got this much water here and we've got another day of this. So here comes a gust. You got to remember, this wind has been going on like this since yesterday, about 9 o'clock. So this is about 18 hours. Water is getting higher. Don't know how high we don't have any idea how high it's going to get. Flooded all the way back there. All right. See, we're out of a gust. Let's see how deep this water. We got water. All over the place. The wind has shifted since the last time I did the video, but it's really hard to tell what direction, because it's coming. It seems like it's switching. Okay, here comes a gust. You can hear it. I mean, our streets are starting to look like the back intercoastal. There's going to be a lot of damage from this. These are all concrete houses here. But we still got water coming up. And it's been moving.